Hi there, it's Roy Breton here. Today we're looking at something a bit different, the Fieder battery powered electric wheelbarrow. Now I must admit I'm not a lover of electric things. I prefer something with a petrol or diesel engine, but I must say this seems like quite a good principle. But believe it or not, wheelbarrows have been about for ages and they're still used widely in the garden. It's difficult to get something that's so manoeuvrable to replace the classic sort of garden or builder's wheelbarrow. So let's take a look at this Fieder battery powered electric wheelbarrow. But basically, let's start with the price. The price is £404.95. Now you can pay another £100 for an assembly service option, which if you're not good at putting things together, I'd say it's probably £100 well spent, as it often with these type of things the instructions aren't brilliant. It's French made, they may be in French. Now it's probably not that difficult, but if you're putting it together for the first time, it may take a bit of working out and time. So admittedly it adds another £100 to the price, but it may be well worth investing in that extra money. So let's have a look at the features. So a simple solution to make shifting materials easy in the garden. It's great for older gardeners. As you get older, it takes a bit more effort to push things about. Even I find that. It's got lithium-ion battery technology for continuous power. So allegedly, with this, the wheelbarrow can be stored and it doesn't lose power, and it doesn't sort of slow down as the batteries get more worn. So that's a good thing. So there's 5-hour battery life between charges for normal use. Now if you're having heavy loads on a slope, then it may be different, but average battery life is 5 hours, which is, to be fair, is more than enough for most gardeners, unless you're moving compost all day, which doesn't often happen, to be fair. So it's variable speed. The speed goes up to 7 kilometers an hour, which is about 4 miles per hour. So that's plenty fast enough for most people behind a wheelbarrow. Steel frame and steel bed for maximum strength. Unfortunately, this isn't galvanized. Now I suppose it's quite a good price for a wheelbarrow, but it would be better if this buck was galvanized for longer lasting. So ideally it needs to be kept in a shed. There's 150 kilogram load capacity, which is pretty good. That's like 300 weight. Yeah, 300 weight in Imperial, and it comes with a 2-year warranty, which is good. So not a bad, for the money when you take other powered wheelbarrows. Now we have got other powered wheelbarrows here. Now we've got these Bertolini ones, which are slightly a totally different thing, to be fair. We've got this Sherpa wheelbarrow, which is a bit more, and we've got the Snapper electric wheelbarrow. But certainly this one is the most sort of traditional barrow and the cheapest. So there is a link there if you want to look at our other barrows. To conclude, something I didn't say, there is variable speed, so you can go as slow as you want, and I did say it goes up to 7 kilometers now, which is about 4 miles per hour. So that's a good plus point. So you can just select a comfortable walking speed, and it will go up to 25 degrees incline, which is quite steep, to be fair. So to conclude, I've just put that I would buy this for the garden. It's not a commercial machine, but for the keen gardener, it could save a lot of time. And something else I've mentioned: these wheels here, they're not very big. So I would be inclined, in dry weather, it's probably fine, but I can see those getting clogged up with mud. It would be better off to put heavier wheels on, I believe. Maybe okay on hard surfaces, but if it's a bit muddy, I can see them not really being strong enough. So something to think about before you purchase, to be fair. Other than that, that's it. So if you've got any comments to make, I'm here to help. I'm going to upload this video to YouTube. Please feel free to comment, and I do try and respond to comments. Thank you very much for watching.